Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a hearty beef casserole. I just want something nice and hearty for dinner tonight. What I've done is I've chopped up a half an onion, cut up carrots, celery, and you want to finely chop them. Bell peppers, I've got a combination of red, green, orange. You just want a total of 1 bell pepper, just chopped up nice and small pieces. 2 cups of elbow macaroni, 2 cups of cheese, any kind of cheese you want. Got a can of mushrooms, tomato sauce, and a can of cream corn. I know. This is just like a dump and go, easy meal. I've got my water going for the elbow macaroni. And right now what I want to do is I want to saute some vegetables. So I'm going to do butter. And I'm using about 2 tablespoons of butter. You do want that nice buttery taste. You can do salted or non-salted. It's up to you. Okay, I'm just putting in the onions. I really want them to sweat. I'm putting in the celery, the carrots, and the bell peppers. We're going to cook these on high for about 4 to 5 minutes because we want a little color to them. We want to release some of their flavors. You do want to peel your carrots. Everything is diced up nice and small, bite-sized. And we're going to keep an eye on that and watch it so it doesn't burn. To our pan of boiling water, I'm adding 2 cups of elbow macaroni. I have not added any salt to this, so you're just going to have to watch it. What I like to do is have it boil, then put it in, and then turn the temperature down to a low. And that way it'll cook low and slow. This will take about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. Since I don't have any oil or salt in the elbow macaroni, I'm just gonna make sure I stir it every now and again, make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. And I'm just gonna move back and forth between the two. This is a meal you can cook in the microwave convection oven. You can cook it in the range or oven. If you cook it in the microwave convection oven, you want to do it on 350 for 30 minutes. If you're doing it in the oven, you're going to do it on 350 for 45 minutes. Now I turn the heat up on my pot here. This gas range, if it's on low on this burner, it kind of makes a psh, psh, psh sound. It's really a little strange, so I've turned it up to medium so it doesn't interfere with the sound. Our vegetables are just now starting to get a little bit of a toasty brown color on them, which is what we want. Okay, everything is starting to get a little bit brown here and there. So what I'm going to do is I'm turning down the heat to a medium-low. Okay, to this recipe I'm adding my 1 pound of hamburger. As a rule, I buy large packages of burger meat, usually the 85-15. I package it in 1 pound increments. That way it's easier for me with recipes. I can take them out when I want to. So all I'm going to do is just start basically crumbling it down. Turning this up to a medium. We've mixed in our hamburger meat with our vegetables, and we want to cook the hamburger until it's no longer pink. All right, I'm using the microwave convection oven today, so I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to push bake. I'm going to go and use the back arrow, go to manual bake, select. The temperature I'm putting it on is 350. Select. With this microwave convection oven, I need to open the door, close it, and then start it. I'm going to check to see if our elbow macaroni is done yet. It's done. It's done. Our elbow macaroni is done, so I need to drain it and rinse it. Now I'm draining this on a lukewarm instead of a hot or a cold. While our elbow macaroni is draining, I'm going to continue to stir this until the meat is no longer pink. To this mixture, we're going to start adding things. I've got a can of cream corn here. And now we want to turn it on low. I've got a small can of mushrooms sliced. Just dump that in. We have 2 cans of tomato sauce. These are 8-ounce cans. The last thing I'm going to add is Mrs. Dash's garlic and herb, and about a tablespoon. Now we've mixed it all up, and I'll let you see what it looks like. We have this simmering on low. We're adding our 2 cups of elbow macaroni. And you want to mix this in thoroughly. Turn off the heat. All right, that was our microwave convection oven going off, telling us it's ready. And so are we. What I need to do is I need to take the contents of this pot and just start dumping it in the casserole pan. You want to spread it out evenly. And now we add our cheese. This will cook in my KitchenAid microwave convection oven for 30 minutes. Because I do not want the cheese to burn on the top, what I'd like to do is take and cover the top with aluminum foil for the first 20 minutes. My microwave convection oven is telling me, hey, I'm ready. So, we're going to add it in. Now I've put this on the round rack that comes with this microwave convection oven. What I'm going to do is, it has a turntable that turns it around so the air circulates around it. I'm going to turn off the turntable and push start. We'll see it in 20 minutes when we take off the foil and put it back in. Okay, it's time for our casserole to come out so I can take the foil off. Now I'm going to take the foil off away from me. This is what it's looking like so far. Oh my goodness. Now this goes back into the microwave convection oven for 10 minutes. These are our last herbs I picked from this year's garden. And I'm trying out the new range on the dehydrator mode. It is so awesome. They're almost done. The sage needs a little more. The thyme and oregano are just about there. And let me show you what the casserole looks like. Now we're going to see what this tastes like. That's really good. That's really good. That's a keeper. The carrots, the onions, the celery, the bell peppers are all cooked perfectly. They're tender. The elbow macaroni is just right. This is a really nice hearty meal on a fall day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, visit our website at OurBountifulKitchen.com. I want to credit the recipe to a Viola Jensen of Exira, Iowa. I got the recipe from a local cookbook. I hope you enjoyed the video. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.